Welcome back. MLC is in the heart of Hawthorn, and that's where we find Mike tonight for the weather.
Yes, thank you, Stephen. Good evening once again. Well, we'll talk about the temperatures in just a moment, but first up, we have Year 6, the Year 6 musical here at MLC. It is Little Mermaid Jr, and we'll start with the main song. You'll know the words, you'll know the choreography. It is Under the Sea. It's good, isn't it?
Under the sea, under the sea.
Yeah.
When sardines begin to begin, it's music to me. It's music to me. What do they got? A lot of sand. We got a conversation then. These little snakes. Under the sea.
How good is that, hey? I love it. Tickets will be selling just like that. You'll be stars. The stars of tomorrow are here at MLC. OK, let's talk about today's weather. Everyone relax. You can put your hands down and put them back up. And put them down. OK, 8 degrees in Melbourne this morning, 8.5 to be exact, rounding off at 0.5 to 9 degrees. And the maximum this afternoon, 14.5 at 0.5, rounding off to the closest odd number. So your temperature today, 9 to 15. Outside right now, 11 degrees, a few light spots of rain. That humidity is 70%, and the wind's blowing from the south. Around town today, mostly 13 to 15 degrees, and for the most part, skies have been grey. OK, across our state, as we continue looking at our weather, well, today the maximum was 16 degrees. That was at Hopeton. Rain has fallen mostly in the southwest and Gippsland. Over the weekend, up to 31 mils. Today, the best rains were in Gippsland, up to just 8 millimetres. Around Australia, Sydney was saturated today, 17. Hobart, 13 degrees. Canberra, 12 degrees. Adelaide, 14. Now, the weather charts, well, the main weather feature is that low off the New South Wales coast. This will bring the heaviest rains next Thursday. The rainfall chart. OK, well, last week Perth was saturated. It is now Sydney's turn. 20 mils of rain falling in suburban Sydney, 50 millimetres just to the south in the northern Illawarra, and they've got a heap more rain to come. Interstate tomorrow, well, Canberra looking at 10 to 20 mils of rain. Sydney, heavier rain, maybe 30 mils. Brisbane tomorrow also wet and around 28 degrees. Across our state, we've got some rain tonight in the far north, the far east, far out, far east Gippsland, plus some isolated showers in the south. Tomorrow, mostly fine, just a chance of late showers near the coast in Gippsland. A look at the radar. OK, the radar does show the New South Wales rain clouds moving to northeast Victoria and a little popping up Port Phillip. OK, around Melbourne, Yarra Glen tomorrow, 7 to 15. Morning town, the Seekers say 7 to 13. And on the bays, we've got southeasterly winds at 15 to 20 knots, waves around 1.5 metres. And now the forecast for our wonderful city by the bay, 9 to 15. So like today, mostly cloudy, late showers, only up to a millimetre of rain though. The heaviest falls tomorrow will be in the western suburbs, south-easterly winds, 20 to 30 knots, easing during the day, back to 9 degrees tomorrow evening. Now, the rest of the week, OK, Wednesday, 8 to 15 degrees with a shower or two. Thursday, 10 to 14 degrees and wet, wet, wet. We're talking 10, maybe 15 millimetres of rain. Oh. Yeah. On to Friday, 10 to 13, possible showers. And the all-important weekend, Saturday, 14 degrees, possible shower. Sunday, 6 to 16 and partly cloudy sky. So that is the forecast from mighty MLC. We can wait for everybody at home. Have a wonderful night tonight. And tomorrow, take your brolly just in case. I'll see you tomorrow night. Stephen.
Thank you, Mike, and thank you, girls.